Okay, in this video I'm going to show you about YouTube's new high definition feature. Okay, remember in the olden days YouTube had grainy videos due to the compression that they underwent, so that resulted in poor quality videos. But now, okay, YouTube have a great new ton of features. One of them includes being able to watch videos in high definition. You can see this little symbol here. But first, let me just play this video that I've already loaded into the window. Okay, and right now this is just standard quality after their normal compression, and you can see the kind of quality that this compression is giving. Okay, let me just forward up a little bit. So the quality is okay, it's pretty okay, but since the high definition is available here, we can actually watch this video in much higher quality. Let me just go ahead and click on this high definition button. Watch what happens. The video is preloaded in a much bigger size. The quality has increased drastically. It basically looks like camcorder quality. Okay, check out the quality on this. Now let me just revert back to normal quality. Now I'm going to show you how to embed the high definition quality video into your web page, okay, into any website that you want. First I'm going to let me grab this URL. Now there's a tool here on this website called, let me just save this for you, okay. There's this cool script at this website URL. Okay, I'm just going to pause the video here, write this down, save it, bookmark it, because you're going to be using this every time that you want to be able to embed one of these high quality videos into your site. Okay, Twitter vlog.tv high quality YouTube embed generator.html. Now what you need to do here is enter the last part of the YouTube video after the V. So if we go here, let me just grab this URL, paste it. Now you want to grab everything after the V. Okay, go back to the generator, paste it in this box. Let me show you the quality of the video before I actually generate this code. So let me just grab this embed code and just paste it right now into my HTML editor. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, you've got your standard quality. Now let me get rid of that code. Delete. And now we're going to embed the high quality code. So I've entered in the ID here, video ID, create code. Here's that code. Now if I embed this, the video will appear in high quality. Paste. Let's preview now. Check this out. Now this is what I'm talking about. Once it loads, you can really see the quality and the improvement. There you go. This text keeps getting in the way. Let it just forward a little bit. There you go. Check out the quality. Now that is what I'm talking about. Okay, high definition quality on YouTube. Okay, no more grainy, poor quality videos anymore. So again, write down this URL, and what you need to do is just grab the end part of the videos that have higher definition available, generate the code using this generator. Okay, click code, and you just want to grab this code and embed it into HTML.